Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to install a very simple one. It's gonna be the Rough Country bed mat or carpet or cover or protection, whatever you want to call it. Let's do it. Alright, first thing first, we want to clean the bed. This truck only had 1 week. So it's kind of but I already put some bugs on it, some stuff, so I don't want to scratch it. And it's important to remove the dust or any dirt that can stay under the carpet. So in that case it can even scratch it, because when you step or you put some or you load some big bugs or heavier stuff, there is a little movement, especially when you're driving, and it can scratch the bed. And at the end, I'm putting, at least myself, this protection just to protect the paint. I'm probably gonna do in the same, spray out the fill with the protection, but not this time. This time I buy first this carpet. I'm not using this truck to carry any dirt or gravel or stuff like that. It's just my bicycle and dirt bike, so some boxes sometimes for work, but nothing heavy duty or aggressive. The material looks very good quality. I wasn't decided between these Rough Country and the Husky. That looks pretty similar. I saw the Husky in person, but I never saw this Rough Country, so I just buy like in a black box. And so far so good, pretty satisfied. It's pretty thick. It has this rubber that it seems like it's gonna stay firm on the bed of the truck with no any unnecessary movement. So let's proceed and install it. Well, install it is just, the bed is being cleaned already, so just need to put on in, and that's it. Hi guys, I hope you enjoyed the review and install of this Rough Country bed mat mat floor or mat protection for the bed of your truck. Please hit the subscribe button if you didn't do it already, and like, and if you have any suggestion, please comment down below. See you on the road.